So today's image processing and computer vision, usually this terminology is cross-used, and image processing usually means simpler, and computer vision usually means more complicated. So if you look at this, so we'll start with capturing the image first. So for image, right, the totally dark is 0 and 255 is white. So they're altogether about sorry, they're altogether 8 bits now. So 2 to the power 8 is 256. So if it's grayscale, so there will be only 256. If it's colored, it will be 3 times 256. And format of the images, there are many types. Okay, so I shall skip all these things to only programming. So images can be in any format, in compressed format. So once you read, it will be in spatial domain. Okay. So these are RGB, and these are some physics, not really critical, and wavelength as well. Okay, so this is so today we'll focus on programming now. Okay, so we're going to use Lina all the way. Okay, the images. Okay, there's quite a lot of images here, so in case you want to download all these things. So let's go for Lina. So from SK image import this IO, this first thing that we need to do. So let's try here. Maybe I just to make it faster a bit, I probably have to just cut and paste the code, okay, and make it faster a bit. So new Python 3. So of course Python 4 is coming up as well. So okay, so this is the one that we're going to use the Lina. Okay, so okay, so this is the one. Control C. So when you capture this image, right? So oops. Okay, just name it other like using model. So image processing, I just change it to Lina. Oh, JPEG. JPEG, correct. Read JPEG. Okay, I got it. This is the cut and paste problem from the. Okay, so this is the one that Lina. So this is the 256. Okay, and this is the not in the image form. So if you want to use the image form, you must use im show. Okay, so this is the one. im show. Show here. Okay. So this will show you the image. So this is the correct one, right? So you want to look at the shape as well. So what is the shape? So if you look at it, image shape. Okay. So of course every pixel is a number, right? So this is 270, 270, vertical, horizontal, and color is 3. So you have 270, 273. Okay. And so if you look at the image 200, 200. Okay, so this is the one that we have the pixel number. Okay, this is a 200 by 200 here, 200 by 200. Okay, so this is a pixel here. So this is quite bright now, 200 by 200. So we can try a darker image. This one is 200 by 100, say, the image. So you can see smaller number, right? So say 200 by, this one is 225, this will be quite bright, right? So 225 by 175. 225 by 175, you can get a bigger number, right? Because it's brighter. So this will get bigger number roughly. Okay. So roughly you need to know the image. So this is the first number is the vertical, and the second number is horizontal. First number is vertical. First argument. First number is vertical. Okay. Then of course, we can look at histogram here as well if we want to. So the histogram is the image, what type of grayscale are they using the color. Okay. So this is just a kickstart for you to understand what is so the image is quite good. Say they actually use all the different grayscale. Okay, so this is something like image processing. So I'm just going to go through briefly so that you can actually look at the notes and go further than that. And thank you for watching the introduction.